You are watching Eas Tv, One Me with goanmate Network, where your favorite emergency alert system movies are. This is to show you the one to miss. It's The Blackout, only on Eas Tv.
New Macca's Chicken Sides Box. 3 crispy tenders made with 100% Aussie chicken and 10 chicken McNuggets. Made for easy dinners, made for family.
The joy of moving you is what moves us, because you're at the center of everything we do.
Now is The Blackout, only on Eas Tv.
I'm Jack. These are my sisters Leah and Sasha. This is my mom. And this is my dad. Jack. The Blackout.
Yes, every Smiley City is having a blackout. Don't forget when it will be over, but Dr. Bruce up for them is sure. It won't be long.
Can we watch the blackout on TV?
There is no TV. A blackout means there is no electricity. No electricity, no TV.
No TV. Will there be TV tomorrow? There's a Ted and Friends special on the number 2 I have to watch.
It will be over by then. You hear the weatherman.
Dr. Bruce worked very epic when we hit that blizzard. I'd better go get some soluplisa. See kids? Isn't this fun? A candlelit dinner.
Cold leftover pasta? Applesauce and pretzels. That's it?
The store was closed, so we have to make do with this. But we do have all that leftover strawberry ice cream for dessert.
Make that strawberry soup. Anybody want it as a first course?
I'm so hot. My ears are sweating. Can we turn on the fan?
Fans are electric.
Here. We'll just open the window and get a nice breeze.
There goes the candle left part of dinner.
Pretzels and tap water. It's like we're in jail. Hey Jack. Hello.
Hi Joey. Is your power out too?
Yeah, but I have a little bit of light. See things glowing in my food cabinet.
I hope this blackout ends soon. I can't sleep in this heat.
Me neither. But I tried counting sheep. But imagining all this will make me hotter. I think my battery's dying.
I'm a few blocks away. You don't need electricity to walk.
You're fading. Hang in there, buddy. We'll get to this.
Ah. Something's cooking. Hey, is the blackout over?
No. And here's your share of the milk. It's less because you took too many ice cubes yesterday.
Oh.
Sniff sniff, I think our minds are playing tricks on us.
Hello, is anyone home?
Good morning, Mr. Brine. My father wants to know if you wanna come over for breakfast.
We're having a repus.
These arepas are delicos. Do I taste a hint of cilantro in the ahi?
Exactamente. It was my mother's recipe.
How come this orange juicy is cold?
Because it was in our natural refrigerator. Show him Alberto.
When it starts to get hot, my dad buries a metal pail in the shady spot. Since the temperature is lower underground, the drinks stay cooler.
There are many blackouts in Ecuador. So you learn a few tricks.
There are not just tricks, my amor. You have to be prepared. Would you like to see the basement? I have lots of extra batteries, but if I run out, this lantern is very handy.
Cool. What's this?
A hand crank radio. No batteries required, just muscle.
Still no power, but they expect to resolve the problem very soon. Till then, keep it tuned to WSHD and chill out with Dr. Bruce.
Dr. Bruce, some doctor. All his predictions are wrong.
Do you have a hand crack TV too? I have to watch Ted and Friends.
Sorry, Leah, but it's nice to take a break from TV, don't you think?
My catering job's been cancelled. Mom can't work, so let's all do something together.
Okay, like what?
I'm thinking.
We're not prepared. This air conditioner doesn't have a crank on it. And I'm probably missing Ted and Friends right now.
Leah, there are other ways to have fun. Remember what a good time we had during the blizzard?
That was different. There was snow, and snow is fun.
She is right. Even rain would be more fun than this heat.
Rain that acid. We all need to get wet.
Are we both gonna fit in that?
Sure. It will be cozy but cool.
Hope no one sees me in this thing. Ah.
Hey, Jack.
Ah.
I came over to see how you guys were doing. Do a nice-looking bath. May I join you?
Okay. Leah, could you move over a little?
But Nayli's sitting here.
Well, tell her to move over.
Oh, this is great. I can almost imagine I'm at the beach.
Ah. I feel an octopus.
That's just my foot. Come on, boy. You can come in too.
Why don't you just invite the whole neighborhood?
Timmy, stop that.
What's happening? We're sinking.
Abandon ship.
Ha 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 ha. You have to watch out for dogfish. I will show you a way to cool down that doesn't need so much water. This is what my abuela used to do whenever she was hot. Here, put your feet in. And if you keep the curtains closed, the house will stay cooler.
Thanks again, Ramon.
Do you like blackouts, Mr. Monica? 'Cause you're really good at them.
Ha 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 ha. No, Leah, I do miss not having electricity. But when I was growing up in Quito, my family always used blackouts as an excuse to have a fiesta. People would all share their leftovers and there would be music and dancing and everyone in the block would party into the night. So there were some good parts to the blackout as well.
That's a great idea. Let's have a fiesta.
I'd love to, Leah, but I'm afraid we don't have enough food.
I can bring over all the stuff from my food case.
I don't think that's such a good idea. But what about some stuff from your garden?
And I have the perfect main course.
Ha 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 ha. Here, Mr. Monica, some more will get tomatoes.
Mr. Brown, you start working on the salsa. I'm going to get some lantern.
It's all in the wristlet. Excelente. Now try it out. 5 cents, please.
It's good to have a lot of change in these blackout fiestas.
Well, it looks like the power will be out for another day at least. And that way it's back on. Woohoo!
That's it? It's over?
Well, at least you will be able to watch Ted and Friends again.
Yeah, but I'd rather have a fiesta.
And then, don't worry, I am prepared for this emergency as well. Now, we can party all night.
Next is Rosie Gets Grounded, only on the channel you're watching, Eas TV.
blindfold, Mom? Really? Is this necessary?
Happy graduation, sweetie!
I can't believe you got me this car! Amazing!
Status update.
Best day of my life!
I'm calling Grandma. Grandma.
Should we tell him that?
No, let him tire out first.
Jogger, check out my sweet ride!
How can you jog
When you can drive!
Not yet. He's losing steam. Just let it run its course.
Marry me right now!
So marrying you right
No,
now!
we're getting married!
This is the best day of my life!
Hey, Steve.
Best gift ever!
Love the car.
Best gift ever! Woo! Best gift ever! Yes, best gift ever! Love you guys so much! Best thing ever! Hey! Mr. Johnson just stole my car!
Now it's Rosie Gets Grounded on the channel you're watching, Eas Tv.
Thanks for the presents, Kalu.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Now Rosie present.
Oh, Rosie, how dare you take your mom's slippers, my toothbrush, and Kayla's Rixie? He cried every night about that.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Apology unaccepted. You're grounded for 2 3 4 5 4 5 6 5 5 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 7 8 years. Now go to your room now.
What are?
It's okay, Kalu, we still have more presents.
Yay, more presents? I'm going to the arcade without permission. Daddy, how did you find me?
That doesn't matter. Let's go home. Oh, Rosie, how dare you go to the arcade? You're even more grounded for 1 trillion years. Now get in your room.
No, I will destroy this plant.
No, Rosie, how dare you destroy the plant? You're even more grounded, get in your room.
What are?
What are you looking at?
Now it's Kai Gets Grounded, the movie, only on Eas Tv, your channel. The following movie is located PG.
Jeez. I better hurry up for the electron. Ouch.
Welcome to the Electron 2012. Do you have anything to say?
Hey, who laughed?
I think it's the audience.
Mr. Obama, you are fired. Go home now.
Before we show you some Go Animate related shows, we'll be right back after these breaks.
Peanut butter.
Chocolate. You got peanut butter on my chocolate.
Well, you got chocolate in my peanut butter.
Bravissimo.
2 great tastes that taste great together. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Real milk chocolate. Good old-fashioned peanut butter.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
See this kid?
Hi, Bobby.
He's lucky. He's got a big mouth. A mouth big enough for honeycomb. Biggest pieces in the galaxy. Plus an awesome honey sweet crunch for a giant taste that's part of this good breakfast. Why not give honeycomb a shot? But only if you've got the mouth for it.
Big Mouth's wanted.
Now it's Kaya Gets Grounded, the movie, only on Eas Tv. The following movie is located by the creator of newest Mick.
Tornado warning has issued in the following areas. Brian will issue that following places.
Tornado warning has been issued in the areas on the left. Take shelter right now if you're located. If not, you may get hit. Our headquarters are hit in PC guy, so we will take shelter.
You're right. Seek shelter right now, everyone at the Fox News channel. Shelter right now. Now. Take shelter. We are gonna get hit now. Guys. The tornado just passed and we have got hit. Debris is everywhere, but our studio has power and has less destruction. Please take shelter right now.
I think this tornado is the worst ever destroyed in Fox News channel history. But we have new details. Another tornado warning has been issued in the areas also on the left. A EF4 will possibly get in the areas, so seek shelter in those areas. Also, a severe T-storm warning is issued for the areas on the left. We will return later. Tornado warning has just been issued until 4:40 p.m. in those areas on the left. Seek shelter right now.
The following message is transmitted and requests to the Emergency Alley Act system. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for these following cities and counties: goanmate City, South Park, Steve City, goanmate County, Ellenwood County, and Vista County. For the citizens of these following counties and cities, these are the following actions you must take. Make sure you have plenty of food and water. Stay away from all windows. If you have a basement, hide in the basement. And if you don't have a basement, get in a bathtub. Cover yourself with a blanket. I repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
We interrupt your programming because the National Weather Service in Illinois has issued a tornado warning for these areas: Chicago, Michigan, until 6 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., the studio will be hit until 8 o'clock. It's now 7 o'clock, so stay tuned for this channel until 1 hour. You can also listen to EAS Radio, only in Michigan and Illinois. You can also listen to us in Australia, only in 97.7. Before Casey Radio signs off. So stay tuned with us before Casey Radio signs off. This is Eas TV, signing off. Good afternoon. This is your president, not your president, the president of Eas TV. We're having dangerous weather conditions coming up to our area. Over 605. Hey, what is it? Okay, a tornado is gonna hit us in 30 seconds, so take coming now. It's your next to our building. This is EAS TV, signing off.